Good morning, brothers and sisters. It is 9:34 on November 19th, Central Standard Time. I want to bring everybody's attention that they have apparently shut off this monitor here from midnight, roughly. I mean, more than likely 11:30, blipped on, all the way till about 1 p.m. or 1300 UTC time. That's 12, 13 hours of missing data. It's just gone. Unless we were just getting completely blasted and it went off the charts. I don't know.
You tell me.
Let's go check something else out and see if we can find some answers. Here we are at spaceweatherlive.com at the Anunnaki god Enlil's solar wind prediction. He's showing all calm, maybe a little bit of plasma. Here's our wind velocity. I'd say normal winds, about 600 kilometers per second. That's about normal for what we travel through space. You know, we obviously just had an event and came out of that. But when we come down to here, we see this bugger firing off. All calm here too. Except for, we got this little bit coming around at us, but I'm confused because when you come to the European Space Agency, it's telling a whole different ordeal. I mean, look at this. What's going on here? Yeah, this changed from yesterday too, didn't it? Yes, it did. 18, here's the 19th. So, according to European Space Agency, we're going to have some more plasma coming at us on the 20th around 6 a.m. UTC time. I don't know, and it looks like we go down and calm in our wind and then we jump right back up right after we get hit with it, because the solar wind here is what's pushing the plasma, so this should always be behind the plasma. So why is it so different? I don't know. I mean, this actually got pretty ugly here, didn't it? Ooh, that was ugly, folks. But I don't know. Getting so much mixed messages and things that are just, looks like the Matrix is taking a glitch all over, really. I mean, we'd come over here to the Italian model for our Schumann electromagnetic field. It's okay. It's about normal, I'd say. And you come and look at the Schumann, and all is quiet. We had one little ping here, and a couple of small little dots, but nothing major. It's been pretty much all quiet for the last little bit. Yeah, see here we got this bugger here, which happened at noon. Looks a lot higher here than it does up here, doesn't it? Looks a lot bigger. And one right here, which apparently this is not caught up yet. So other than that, everything should be fine today. But we'll see. I'll keep an eye out for you. You guys stay safe. Have a good day. Hope everybody got a chance to watch the Beaver Blood Moon. Yes, Beaver Blood Moon early this morning. If not, I'm sure there's plenty of videos on YouTube. They're quite nice. So yeah, I'll let you guys know later on today when we have our updated time for tomorrow for Roundtable. You folks have a good one. Love ya.